Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a little mini 100% pure haul. I got a few things because they were having a sale, which was super awesome, and I ran out of some products. So I needed to stock up. So I'm just gonna jump right into it and show you what I got. The first thing that I got was actually buy one, get two free, which is why I even made the order. I really wanted to get a lip gloss that was super pigmented. Also, they're doing lawn care outside. I'm sorry if you can hear that. That's really annoying, but I need to film right now. So I got their lip caramels in the shade Rum Nougat, Ganache, and Butter Chew. So I'll zoom you guys in a second so you can see them swatched. But I really just needed some lip colors that were like super pigmented, and I wanted them to be in lip gloss form because I didn't really want to wear a lipstick. And this brand I haven't used in so long, so I don't have any of their products right now. I'm super excited to try them out again. I only got a little bit of stuff because it's kind of pricey, but I still wanted to try a few things. So I obviously got 3 shades that I would wear the most. So more of a nude, a pinky nude, and then just like a straight pink. So I'm going to zoom you guys in and we will try each one of these on together. All right, so the first one I'm gonna try is called Ganache. I feel like these need a lip liner. This is so pigmented. Okay, this is really pretty. It doesn't really go with my eye look today because I have sort of like a bronzy purple look, and this is like a bright pink. I thought this was going to be a little bit more rose toned online, like a little bit more subdued, but this is still a really pretty color. And like I said, this one's Ganache. It's super pigmented, as you can see. It's not sticky at all, and it seems like this is exactly what I was looking for. I wanted something that was better than a lip gloss because I wanted it to be super opaque, but I didn't want it to be sticky at all. So I kind of have hope for the other 2 colors because they look more like neutral colors like I would want to wear way more often. So we'll try the next one on. Okay, so these definitely stain your lips. Like, look at my lips already. I took off the color and it definitely left like a light pink hue, which I'm not mad at because then as the day goes on and these like wear off, then it'll probably leave behind this stain. Let me look at the packaging because now let's read what it says. Intense deep saturation of gorgeous colors colored from fruit, root, and some seed pigments in a base of lip softening pomegranate oil and coconut butter. Yeah, that's all the information we have. All right, so now I'm gonna try on Rum Nougat. This is a really pretty light pink shade. It comes off on the lips a little bit darker than it looks in the packaging. If you notice, it looks kind of like more nude in the packaging, but on my lips it's coming off super pink. It's a very, very pretty color, but to me it's a little bit more summer and spring, not necessarily a fall winter color. If I was doing a completely neutral face, like with no purple in the eyes, I would probably go for this even in the fall. Yeah, super pretty color. The only thing I don't like, I don't know if you can see this, but like right here on the inside of my lips, it kind of like gathers product, which I don't like, because that means throughout the day it might form that line, and I hate when lipsticks do that. But yeah, really pretty color otherwise. All right, now we're gonna try the last one, which is Butter Chew, and this one I was like the most excited for because it looks the most nude, so I hope it works for me. Again, kind of same issue as the others. This pulls off a lot more pink on my lips than it does in the tube. So these basically are just 3 different shades of pink going from like light to bright. It's a really pretty color though. It does match my makeup, so that's good. We'll probably wear this throughout the video. It's super opaque. So it's like gathering on the inside of my lips even more so than the others, which I don't like. So we'll see what happens throughout the video, but I don't know. That one's, I'm kind of disappointed, to be honest. I think if these were a little bit thicker, they wouldn't have this issue of the product sliding all over and being able to see the difference between like my lip shade and the actual pigment. All right, I have mixed feelings about these. I don't know. I'll have to test them more and then like let you guys know. I was super excited to try them, so I'm kind of bummed like my first impression isn't the best. However, I'll see how it wears throughout the week and then update you guys. But all right, next two products, I'll just keep you guys zoomed in because I'm going to try them on. I got the Fruit Pigmented Satin Eyeshadow in Maui. Now, my goal with this, I couldn't find a swatch of this online, but from what it appeared to be, it looked like a very dark brown, which I wanted to find an eyeliner, like a gel eyeliner shade. So I figured if I tried this like pigmented eyeshadow, that would work. So let's see. Oh my God, this almost looks purple. I'm a little bit concerned. This is like a really deep purple shade mixed with a brown pigment. It's like a purple brown hybrid. It's not 100% brown. That is super interesting. I don't know if this is what I was really going for. I was really looking for like a rich chocolate brown, and that's what I thought it was on the website. So I'm going to use this how I wanted to try to use this, as a gel liner. I don't know if that's going to work. This video isn't turning out how I thought it would. I thought I was going to be super impressed. Yeah, I can tell this definitely isn't going to be like a gel eyeliner in the clean beauty world like I wanted. If any of you guys know of any gel liners that are clean beauty, please let me know, because I want a black one and a chocolate brown one. I was gonna get chocolate brown first because it's fall. Yeah, that's not. I mean, it's creating kind of a wing, but it's not like intense at all like you would want. Like, there's really not that much pigment. This would probably make a really pretty eyeshadow though. The issue is I wouldn't really use this shade in a cream form. We're gonna try to do the other eye just for continuity's sake. But honestly, it's my own fault. Like, they didn't market this as a gel liner. I was just trying to, you know, finesse my way into the gel liner world via an eyeshadow. Okay, that did not do what I wanted it to do at all, but it doesn't look, it doesn't look bad, you know? So, I don't know how I feel about this. I'm gonna have to try this as an eyeshadow before I give you another opinion. Unfortunately, these things aren't good, like first impression things right now, so I apologize. But all right, last thing I got from 100% Pure is this Long Last Brows. So it's funny that they have a brow gel, like a brow pomade, but they don't have a gel liner. I got it in soft brown. Sounds promising. Okay, so here's the shade. This definitely looks like my shade. I used to use the Anastasia Dip Brow, I think it's called. However, obviously that's not clean beauty, so I wanted to try this out. So the funny thing is this product is actually like pretty hard too. Like, it's not going on the brush super easy. I didn't do my brows yet today. Because I wanted to use this. All right, let me get a different brush. Maybe that's the issue here. This is way more thick than I thought it would be. I thought it would be a little bit more creamy, which is what I was kind of hoping it would be, so it would go on a little bit easier. Because sometimes when it's a super thick and waxy formula, it's just hard for me to work with like my technique that I normally use. There's the difference with powder, I mean with the product and without. Yeah, it's just super, super firm. Which I could definitely see if you lived in a colder climate, like you would have some problems with this. I live in Florida and it's super hot in my room where I'm at right now. So the fact that it's still this waxy is kind of funny. Alright guys, so that's all I got from 100% Pure. I hope you enjoyed the little bit of a haul and try on moment that we did. I know the makeup doesn't really match because we were just playing around. So yeah, I'll give you guys an update on all of this later on. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and don't forget to like and comment and subscribe and show me some love in the comment section. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!